Hi y'all, what's up? Oh, my cat wants to go outside. Oh no, it's so heavy. It's so heavy, girl. Oh my God, okay, she made it. She loves going on my deck. I swear to God, she loves going on that deck. So I just wanted to pop on and say hello. I am gonna start making more videos. Oh girl, not that broken nail. Oh my God, look at the nice nails. Oh my God, they're all broken. Look at this side. Look at these nails. I just did them and they all fell off. So anyways, I can fix that. Let's start this over. Hi, I'm excited because I'm gonna start making videos again, like actually videos, not just like clips and montages. It's so weird holding the phone this way because I'm so used to making TikToks now, but like, I guess here we are. I feel like there's a lot to talk about in terms of what is going on in the world, politically, here in the United States. Also, what is going on in my life. Honey, she has developed a proclivity for perfume, as well as a few other things that we can go into. I'm really excited to come back. So I just wanted to give this like 10-year update as kind of like my final piece, and then start making videos again. Honestly, I've been kind of like nervous to make a video again because I don't really know how. I think it's going to be a little bit different from the videos that I was doing, where I sit down and it's like super glam and, you know, the lights and the background. I think it's going to be a little bit more casual. But I think that means there'll be more videos because those videos took so much effort to make. But yeah, I just wanted to say that, and that I'm excited to start making videos again. And thank you guys for like always supporting me.